Right, I've just been out on my bike for the first time up to Haywood Heath and managed to handle the power next set in a bit. It was 40 on a straight and 52 miles an hour coming downhill, but it was screaming.
So tell us a bit of history on the bike.
This was designed for the Australian postman, but this is the American version, which was designed for fishing in the lanes, fishing. You know, you can put all your gear on it and go into the countryside. But originally, it came from the Australian outback.
So, do you want to try it out back?
Yes! Welcome to the Bolney Trials. Hey, it's it! Oh, no feet! Oh my god, that was ace.